This is, yeah, you need to be quiet. This is Kona with Northwest German Shepherd Rescue. He's a 1 to 2-year-old male German Shepherd. He's a very sweet guy. He loves to play with other dogs. He is not good around cats. Kona, do you see something you want to play with? He's not good with cats. He'd really like to chase them. He's got a lot of prey drive. He does have a medium to high energy level, so he's going to do best in a home where there's either another dog to entertain him, play with him, or where he's with a very active family who does hiking and goes to dog parks and all that kind of stuff. He's pretty well behaved. He's crate trained. He's house trained. He hasn't had any accidents in the house. He does tend to greet other dogs with his feet when he first meets them. So he does better around dogs who know, who are used to other dogs, what we would call dog savvy dogs. He's beautifully built. He is recovering from a cyst he had removed on his neck. It looks to be fully recovering right now. It was a benign cyst, so there's no cancer or anything like that. But that's why he's got a little portion of his neck shaved. You can see right here. He loves people, loves other dogs. He's very exuberant, and he would love to have a home of his own. If you'd like to meet Kona, you can apply to meet him at northwestgermanshepherdrescue.org. Fill out an application, and we'll give you a call. Kona! Like that, or little snaps or something, just kind of quietly. Yeah. So now you can make all the noises you want. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, you good boy. It's looking pretty good right now. Here's this little cyst. And so he's a little shaved compared to here where he's got the longer hair. It's all growing back. Mwah!
Got it.